Hello everybody, it's Cubicle Girl and Lincoln Boy on how to make a Lincoln Log hotel with a Lincoln Log person. So let's get started.
Yeah. So we start with these two long pieces. Let them close together. Make sure they're not too far apart or too close. About like this. And then you put this on. Then you get these two little pieces like this. So it fits right on at the same level. So then you get another one of these two Lincoln Log pieces. Make sure they go about to a height. If you put one more up, that's the height they should be. But we're not there yet. So if you want a window, which I would like one, so I put these two here. Get one of these. Put these two here. Put this right on. Then this. Now let's start the roof. The reason I got a bunch of these is to put the roof right like this. Keep on doing these over and over again. Hello. Well, I already did the roof, so I just have to do the last part. I just wanted to show you, if you want to do a decoration on the front, you can do this, or keep on using these pieces. But I want to do the decoration, so I can do it like this. Now, I'll show you how to make the person. It's pretty easy and simple. Get these two little pieces. Get one of these big. Make sure these pieces are flat. Put this on. Put one on. Then you can have a little person. Or maybe a target for Nerf guns. So, here it is. And make sure to subscribe for more. Goodbye.